Hi folks, Elaine here with WTI. I found the perfect ceiling fan by Brill Mason. It literally brings silent, amazing airflow and brilliance to my entryway. The 52-inch blades spin through the air so quietly and looks very elegant. Its clean lines and simplicity is what I really appreciate the most. You can choose between neutral light settings, cool, or warm. For a DIYer like myself, starting from the packaging to the straightforward directions, I loved everything about this ceiling fan. It's simple and easy to install, and most outstanding of all is the wonderful design of the blades. With just two simple clicks, there you go. Brill Mason made my entryway breezy and flooded with gorgeous, radiant light. I just love it, and that's my point of view.